So within the Spectrum Xumo Stream box in the Spectrum TV app itself, there is a cloud-based DVR. And stay till the end and I'll tell you how it stacks up against YouTube TV. If you go into the guide and you go all the way to the right where the search button is, there's a gear button, and you click on the gear button, that'll load a screen which says upgrades. So these are additional costs to your plan, but below premium networks, kind of buried in the bottom here, is the cloud DVR. And there's two options for activating it. Basically there's a lower cost for $4.99, which gives you 50 shows and save them up to 90 days. And then for twice the cost, for roughly $10 is record up to 100 shows and save them for up to a year. So I went ahead and subscribed. I did the lower cost option just to try it out. And it was that quick. So there's no trip to the store, there's no additional hardware needed. You just basically activate it and you'll see your bill change. This is my bill and you can see the additional $4.99 a month charge. On the Spectrum Xumo box in the Spectrum app, you just hit the up button to record a show, and that'll give you the button to record. Hit the center enter button and hit it again a second time to start the recording. It's that easy. There is no dedicated remote button for recording, so that is an issue. Again though, if you're on a show, hit the up button, hit the enter button to record, you get the menu for recording, hit the enter button again to record it. It'll say recording saved on the bottom of your screen. And it's really that easy and enjoyable to use. In the Spectrum app, you go to My Library and then click View DVR, and you can see what has been recorded or is recording. In this case, they're both in the process of recording, so they got that little red icon over each tile. But you can watch it while it's being recorded or cancel the recording altogether from here. It's really easy to use. And if you're like me and you're used to a traditional cable box with a DVR inside of it, this next feature is really super cool. If you go to the Spectrum app on any device, on the bottom right there's a DVR button, and if you click it you see the same content that you saw on your TV, and you can play it on any other device that you're logged into the Spectrum TV app on. Diving a little bit deeper back into the recording options, if you're a fan of a TV series, this next part is really nice features, just like the traditional cable box. If you go into the record dialog, either by hitting the button there or by going to the more info button, you can see on a series, instead of movies, it's going to say record the whole series, and I click yes for that, and then I can click new only. So that way I don't get all the reruns, I just get the new episodes as they come out, and they'll stack up in my DVR. And while you can't pause live TV on the Spectrum TV app on Spectrum Xumo, you can pause the DVR and unpause it by hitting the center enter button. So when you're watching recorded content, you just hit that center enter button to pause it, and then hit it again to play. So basically this is a typical DVR. It can record live TV, multiple streams at once, multiple shows at once. You're paying for one DVR service though, which is really nice. You can use it across all your devices and TVs that have Spectrum app installed. So if you have multiple Spectrum Xumo stream boxes, or you have tablets, etc., you can watch that content across all these devices. And also there's no additional hardware when you use the DVR, you just need to pay that monthly subscription fee. And really I hold YouTube TV as probably my highest gold standard for streaming services, though it doesn't necessarily come with hardware or have a corner shop that you can go to like Spectrum, and it's very expensive. This Xumo box from Spectrum with Spectrum TV on it and the DVR package activated is really fastly approaching the YouTube functionality and enjoyment to use at a fraction of the price. So if you like the video, hit it a thumbs up or hit the bell to be notified when new ones come out.